Viewers, Namaste. Again, this is Dr. Chetna Sharma. I'm back to you today again to discuss very important points which are very crucial for all of us to understand. We will begin with one thing that our life is precious. Our guiding force, the ruling force, is somewhere else, and we are simply guided by certain, you know, motives towards certain directions. What we can control is our karmas, because ultimately we are answerable to ourselves for the karmas, the kind of karmas we do. Very importantly, when we start the day, we should begin with lots of positivity. Today, I'm going to tell you the most effective ways to give affirmations. Viewers, all of us, we know that we are certainly guided by some, you know, special supernatural energies and positive powers. So, the best way is to connect, to get united with the Almighty, is to, remove all the blockages and obstacles, to doubt in the supreme authority, to doubt in His decisions, and to doubt His existence. So the first thing, the affirmations are the statements which are to be given in the present perfect. Second thing is, you have to completely surrender yourself to the supernatural power. That is, you are going to give the affirmation to the Father Universe and to the Mother Earth with complete belief and perception that yes, you are my parents, you are my father, and you are my mother. So undoubtedly, I surrender myself completely to you, and whatever you do is best for me. So what we can do is, early in the morning when you start your day, what you can do is, you should start giving affirmations to the Father Universe. You can say that, yeah, I have become very lucky. uh, I have achieved this, or I have achieved happiness. Whatever I have desired, I have achieved, I have got it. In terms of whatever level of, you are striving for, whatever maybe ultimate happiness. And for example, for me, it is the ultimate happiness, what matters to me. So in your own ways, the things which satisfy you, you can just ask the Father Universe to give you, and in the present perfect tense, that I have achieved this, मैंने ये हासिल कर लिया है, मुझे ये मिल गई है, ये वस्तु या ये चीज़, या वो टैंजिबल हो सकती है, नॉन टैंजिबल हो सकती है. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे. Early in the morning, when you are rising, you are getting up in the fresh mode, you just connect to the Father Universe without having any blockages anywhere, and without doubting in His authority, in His powers, and powers of His, in terms of giving you. And He's the ultimate, it is the ultimate truth. So when you connect to Him unconditionally, what happens is, all the blockages from here are removed, and He gives you back. You start getting the things, you know it starts coming back to you. The Father Universe starts giving you back, and you are at the receiving end. So every time, we should have the feeling of gratitude for the Almighty, for His supreme existence, because He is the ultimate path to attain salvation. He is the most amazing, He has a most amazing existence, and unquestionably, He is the ocean of compassion. So you can connect to him, you can cry in front of him, like you demand, a child demands to a father. You show your emotions in front of him with a positivity and with a faith in his existence and confidence in his existence, and you will see that your prayers are heard. So I'm not making this video very long. Definitely I believe that you all are going to like this video. Please start the day with lots of positivity and greet people around you. Huh? You, in whatever way you can greet, you can say namaskar, you can say good morning with a smiling face. Greet the people, greet the people in your family, and connect to the almighty with lots of positivity. It is going to resolve all the obstacles and you will attain lots of happiness. Believe me, this is my own experience. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have liked the video, viewers, please press the like button and don't forget to share this, and please comment on the video so that whatever changes you want me to make in the next video, certainly I'll just work hard on that dimension as well. Bye bye then. Thank you very much. Namaskar.